Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to add big follow button on Instagram. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the Instagram app. And as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into clicking on my profile at the below right corner. Now in order to make the follow button big, I'm gonna just go ahead and turn my account into a professional account. So I'm gonna click the three bars at the top right here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the settings, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead to the account. Right in the account, I'm gonna just go ahead and add a new professional account and just follow along the instructions and select your career. Right, and basically you're gonna see right here your account being like this. Right, so basically you just go ahead into the three bars in the settings, and you're gonna see it like this. Just go ahead and click on the privacy and just toggle on the private account. And basically, the creator account can be private, but if you are something other than a creator like me, you'll be able to switch your account to a private account. And what that does, it will make your follow button a lot bigger. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.